Hello everyone, this is David from Acupower Limited, and today again I will be answering questions that you provided, and this time the questions come from Victoria, and it's about how to access your inventory and also to prepare the replenishment. So shall we all then log in together, as I will take a few minutes to show you how to do this. Yes, now that we have logged in into our Acumatica account, we go to the menu, and on the menu just look down here, Victoria, you can see purchases and inventory. After that, then payroll. So click on the inventory. Yes, when you scroll down, as you said, you cannot see the replenishment. It's true, but don't forget that Acumatica has so much for you that when you click show all, you can see it by scrolling down. And I was glancing through, so as you can see, I put the star on it so that it can be added into my favorites. So when you go to the my favorite, you see is here. That is a well thought from Acumatica, isn't it? So instead of going through the process that I just showed, by going to by clicking on the stars, is going to be added to your favorite. Now what we're going to talk about was the how to prepare the replenishment. So when you click on it, the page will open, and here it's true, you can see any items. Why? Because first, the system understands that if you want to work on this section, probably you have a suggestion, and these suggestions usually are being configured according to your company's role on how to prepare or work on inventory. But in this demonstration, I'll just take it off. Okay, I'll take it off, and then I will take this guy from here, because this is just a demonstration, and this is the he's the project manager. So if I'm taking out from him, I think, Victoria, you can see your name here, right? So if you work in this section, probably, or if you're a product manager, you should be able to see your name here. Now I will go to the warehouse. In the warehouse, if you don't remember the name, don't worry. Acumatica always provide the tools for you to, not to crack your brain, but to work as a pro. Now you click on the search button here, and it pops up the number of all the warehouses your company has. So based on your company warehouse, you can see here, and here you select one, which one. But in this case, I will use the wholesale, for example. You can double click it or just click the green button, and then allow the system to communicate with the algorithm, and here we are, the data is showed up. So Victoria, you can see how easy it is to access. I understand that you are new to this, but this is how you can access it. Now here you have the possibility to run or to prepare the replenishment by department or by section. So for example, if you want to prepare the replenishment by wholesale inventory ID, right, according to items, you can run only this, right? If you want to scroll down and select as the demand request, as your request says, so you know how to get along with it. Let's assume that this is your data, so you know what the request is about, and you want to select 2 or 3 items. Here we are, you can do that. If you don't want to, and you want to process all at a go, right, the system is also designed to help you. By clicking process all, everything in this warehouse is going to be run by the commands that you've given to the system. How cool is that? As you can see, Acumatica understands your needs and provide the tools that you can use to do your job. Now I will dig more on how you can run this process by automation. So by clicking add sign, it gives you the access for you to run this data in automation format. Here we have the possibility to schedule the time when this process should take place. We can execute by limit, we can execute by keeping the history, and also setting a specific date for this process to take place. So when we go to schedule, for example, right? Here we can see we want to run the schedule by day, by weekly, by monthly, or by financial calendar. Every company has a financial calendar or financial period, so you can run this by that. How cool is that? Acumatica has taken this into another level, making things much more easier. By you setting the correct date and time, you can execute this process. So Victoria, I addressed this personally to you because you requested how you can get here, and this is how it looks like. So for the meantime, I don't want to save anything, but this is how you can create your own or prepare the replenishment, and this is how you can do it by using the automation version. So you can set a specific date and time. Yes, so if you want more of this, I am ready to provide, and I want to assure you that with Power Limited, every questions you have regarding Acumatica, users regarding anything related with Acumatica or anything related with ERP system, you can address to us. You can send us email, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. In fact, you can book one-on-one demo with me, David. You can go to our website at acupower.co.uk, schedule a demo, put my name there, or just send us email, and my team will prepare a nice presentation and have a thoughtful discussion for you to get the best use of Acumatica. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave us a comment for us to also understand your need and to work hand in hand. In this way, we will grow Acumatica World. Thank you very much.